All right, I will come straight to the point. Last year we didn't do good business. May I know what are the key reasons behind it?
Okay, so Piyush, let me tell you, me and my team have met all the expectation of yours. Also, we have completed all the targets within the time, and also we have made a huge profit of rupees 15 crores. So I think my team should get all the rewards from your side.
What about you, Saurabh?
Piyush, we have tried our level
You know
best
what, Piyush?
to.
Saurav and his team is a very useless in our department.
What's wrong, Saurabh?
So, Piyush, my team has worked really hard. In fact, they have worked day and night to achieve the target. But due to pandemic, many of them,
Wait,
they
wait.
were sick.
I've been listening to this for a long time now. And if I don't see good results, Saurabh, you better don't say anything. You and your team will be fired if I really don't see good numbers further.
Yes, yes, his team should get fired.
Okay, Piyush, we'll try to complete the target. We'll try. This Ranjay takes so much time, yaar. I mean, when is she
So
joining?
Raj,
Uh, oh,
yeah,
here
there
she
she.
is. कितना टाइम लगता है तुमको? I have thousand work to finish.
I was just 30 seconds late.
Yeah, you understand the importance of 30 seconds, right? You can't be so late.
Saurav, why are you behaving like this?
So do you want me to behave nice with you, Prashant? Hey Prashant, how you doing? You want me to behave like this?
There is really something wrong with you, Savrab. You have never behaved like this before.
ये जो तुम लोग एक दूसरे के लिए जो इतना सपोर्ट में बात करते हो ना, वो बंद करो. अपने काम पे जितना ज्यादा कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हो उतना करो, ओके? ये सब फालतूगिरी में पड़ो मत, ओके?
But Savrab, we have delivered all the work on time.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, what else do you expect from us?
We have worked as a team, and you are simply humiliating us.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you all done? Are you all done? Should I talk? If the target has been given, make sure you deliver it. No matter you work day, night, I don't care. Even if you're not well, get this fucking target done, okay? I don't want to talk anything more about it. And I'm just ending this meeting right now.
But
There has been situation when a boss remove all his frustration on junior mates.
Well, in that case, the person doesn't deserve to be called a boss.
You have to learn to tackle this situation.
And make sure it shouldn't harm your junior mates.
Now, look at the other side of the story.
This Saurabh and his team is ridiculous. They didn't even complete the targets on time.
Seriously.
Yeah, I know. My team didn't chase the target. But my team has reached to the expectation. Come on, you can't talk about my team like that.
But Saurav,
What's
your
wrong
team,
with what my team? Can you please stop pointing finger on my team? I know my team. They are very dedicated. Okay.
but Saurav, your last year accounting result really sucks hard. You have failed.
So what? We have failed. So what? There will be ups and downs in professional level. Didn't you fail during exam?
Saurabh, I don't want you to behave like this to your colleagues. You please don't behave like this.
You should at least you try to understand. Come
No,
on.
no, Saurabh. You better just leave this meeting right now. Please.
Okay. Cool. Where is this Prashant यार? कब आएगा ये?
don't know.
ये एक बार कॉल करके पूछ लो उसके ऊपर शायद आ जाए. Oh,
अरे
finally.
देखो
Hi,
आकाश,
hi, 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 guys, hi, sir. Sorry, sir, I was
Hi.
just late.
No. Okay. I mean, how you are doing? I mean, I hope you and your family, all of them, are safe, and you all are taking care of yourself as well, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, we all are safe. Hope you are fine too. It seems to
Yeah.
be some problem.
No, it's all okay. I mean, I'm fine too. I'm doing great. So yeah, a bit of work.
Yes, sir. Let us know if there is some work. I mean, we both can help you.
Yes, sure. We both can help you, sir.
But relax, guys. I'm all fine. I can't be on stress. It's like normal for me.
There you are, sir.
Yeah. But remember, when there was no work from home, what was the solution for this stress buster?
I can't
So,
recollect it.
how? अरे यार, शाम की चाय. Y'all remember?
अरे
Ah,
हाँ.
Yeah, so in that case, my solution has turned out very simple these days. Recently, I ordered a tea called Stratton Tea Mart, and after having this tea, you you don't feel stress at all. I mean, you feel so confident. And guess what? This tea has been imported from Darjeeling and Assam, so it's like it's super awesome. I mean, you're gonna
Wow,
like it for sure.
it looks so interesting. I mean, the packaging is also so better and so looks so super cool.
Yeah,
yes,
this
sir.
packing is awesome. Yeah,
Even I do
totally.
feel stressed sometimes. But I guess this
Yeah.
tea can be a good solution. I would have one for sure.
Not one, Ranjay. I mean, there is now offer happening. You can buy one and get one, and the price is way too reasonable. Yeah.
Oh, so how can we order it? I mean, where should we order it?
So you can call on the given number. It is there on the description. Also, you can follow Stratton Tea Mart on Instagram, and you just need to DM. Your order will be delivered in a day or two.
Sir, I'm ordering this right now.
Yeah. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yeah. Please. Please.
We are glad that we have boss like you. No doubt the board of director must have pressurized you a lot. But still you have always been so calm and solved our problems so easily.
Exactly,
Okay.
Ranjay. We will try our best, sir, to give a performance.
Yeah, that's why I'm so proud of this team. Anyways, let's get back to work. We'll see you in tomorrow's meeting, okay? You take care and take care of your family. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Hello everyone, so I hope you liked our video that is frustration versus neutral. If you find this relatable, please do not forget to tag your colleague. Also, you must try this tea, okay, that is Stratton Tea Mart. This brand source high quality organic tea from the region that is Darjeeling and Assam. Check the link on description or bio to buy this tea.